Hello everyone, this is an updated version of the AI Recruiter system, which is now a white label solution and also a software as a service platform. Mm, we have the subscription plan, but it can be adjusted on the admin panel, so it is not fixed. But if we keep it as is, you will see any agency can register on the platform and try a free CV evaluation before subscribing. So agency can first test before making a purchase, and the start plan has 50 CVs per month. It also includes the evaluation as well, and they can manage one company on this plan. But if they want to upgrade, they can choose another plan. And again, the price can be changed on the admin dashboard if needed. And this is the white label solution. So nothing new here. We already have it on the listing. Now let's go on the admin dashboard to see how it works. I will log in as admin here. So this is the dashboard. First thing first, as an agency, maybe you are managing multiple companies, right? So you can choose which company you would like to manage. You can set it as active, or you can select it on the company switcher. The company switcher allows you to quickly switch between different companies you are managing. This is especially useful for recruitment agencies that work with multiple clients. So here, let me select, yeah. Okay, you can see as soon as I select a company, you will see it start loading the details here. I will just go through the menus quickly. I'm not going into much detail, but just to explain the functional things we have done. So as admin, you will have access to the admin platform. You can see all the users. You can even update your subscription plan, like mentioned. So you can create new plans. You can edit, delete as well. Um, you can also set the AI model. So we are currently using Grok API to do the extraction and evaluation. So you can maybe use OpenAI and so on. But the Grok API is free. It has the uh, it is a good model to do evaluation. But if you see it provide uh, incorrect extraction or evaluation, you can update it if needed. Um, let's go to the company. So you can create new company if you would like and add logo and so on. You can even edit it. Um, in For each of your company, you can assign different team members to manage. You will have a role section. You can set different roles for the team you are inviting on your account. You will have your profile. You will have the subscription. So basically, we have implemented only PayPal. So if a agency want to subscribe, they will be able to pay with PayPal or even credit card, debit or credit card. But we can implement Stripe or another payment method as well. Um, we have the billings. This is where you set your payment method and you will be able to see all your invoices. We have a notification, so you can set which things you want to be notified for via your email. We have the pro features. I'm not going into details into those. We have the analytics part. This is where you can select your company and view all the details here. For example, for this company, you can see the evaluation timeline, all the evaluation by company and jobs and so on. all the breakdowns. You can even export it in PDF, so you will have all the details in a PDF. Let's go to the job. Here, if you select a company, you will find all the job listing for that specific company. So if I select creative media agency, you will see it loads only two jobs. So you can add new jobs, the responsibilities, requirements, and so on. And for candidate section, here you will be able to upload all your candidates, all the CVs. So you can do bulk upload. Let me do a live demo. So let's say I have downloaded 3 CVs. So we can do a bulk upload. You will see it will start processing the CVs. Let's wait for it to be processed. You can see one is done already, and you will see it has extracted the name already, right? And yeah, it's done. So you can evaluate all, you can even evaluate one by one. Let me evaluate only one. So under evaluation pop-up, you will be able to select the evaluation mode. So you can select a specific job. You just need to choose your company and the job you want to evaluate the CV for. And you can also select all jobs in a company. So if you have 10 jobs in that specific company, it will just evaluate it for all the jobs in that company. You can select all companies. So one CV, it is going to evaluate it on all the companies and all jobs. I will just select a specific one here. Let's say, for example, healthcare software developer, and I will click on evaluate button. Let's wait. Here you go. You see it give a 20% score. If you click on view details, you will see the score breakdowns, the strength and areas for improvements, the recommendation. So basically the candidate does not fit for that specific job. You can see on the overview as well. It will mention all the key strengths. You can view the details here also. And let's say now you want to do evaluate with another company. I will select a company, um, specific one here, financial analyst. Let's do an evaluation again. The thing here is it will keep a historic data of the evaluation. So here again, because the CV does not even has any experience in those fields, right? That's why it is giving a score of 10 and 20. Because if you check the CV, you can click on view CV here. You can even download it. Let's check. So here you will see the experience, nurse, registered nurse, but does not have much um, skills, I would say. That's why, because here we are talking about healthcare software developer. You will see the AI know that they are a registered nurse, but with no technical skills listed, whereas the job requires a software developer. If you click on view more details, um, you see the recommendation. It says we need a experience in software development and all the area to improve here. So it's a clear rejection, and then you can just reject the candidate if you want. And we have a note. You can leave a note here. And there was a thing we developed but not push it yet. It's the rejected part. When you select rejected, there will be an email sent to the candidate saying that the candidate has been rejected automatically. So that's a bit on the AI recruiter system. So it is a software as a service platform. It has all the necessary features as well, but it depends on the buyer requirement as well. If there's anything we need to implement before delivering the platform, we can do the adjustment as well. Thank you very much. If you have any question, you can ask.